we're the Tasty Twins. Hey guys, we're the Tasty Twins, and today we're making brownies. But first, as I hope you guys learned from last challenge, I had to think of a punishment for him because I won. Let's see what that is. So I was thinking of something as a punishment for my brother. I went for things to like maybe exercise or just dyeing your hair. But I just thought of something that would be less, crazy. My brother's now coming in. So this is a jumpsuit slash onesie slash pajama, and he's gonna have to wear it the whole entire time during the video. Our first ingredient for the brownies is 1 cup of melted butter. Then it is 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. We're also going to add 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a half cup of cocoa powder, 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Let's get baking. Step 1 is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the chocolate chips and the melted butter in a small bowl. You want to mix it until the chocolate is fully melted. So, in my bowl, I'm going to add in the chocolate. I'm going to add it in. And the melted butter. I'm going to give this a quick mix for about 45 seconds or until the chocolate fully melts. Please note that if your chocolate mixture isn't melting, you can go ahead and put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. So now I'm going to add in the eggs. And then I'm going to add in the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now I'm just going to set this aside and do all the dry ingredients. So we're going to combine all the dry ingredients in this stand mixer, starting with the flour on low speed. Next up, the cocoa powder. Then the brown sugar. And lastly, the salt. Now we're going to give it a mix. So a quick tip for the dry mixture is to take out the bowl as I've done and get a spatula like this one and to see if there are any cocoa powder balls or something and to press on them so then they'll just flatten and then they'll blend really nicely when I add them into the chocolate mixture. So once the mixture is combined, we are going to add in the wet mixture with chocolate into this one. So basically now we're going to add in the chocolate mixture to the dry ingredients. And then we're just going to mix it at medium speed. So now we're going to line our pan with parchment paper and add in the batter onto the pan. So our brownies turned out to be very small, but feel free to use a smaller pan. It'll fit about 8 squares, and now we're going to put it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. So our brownies came out of the oven and we cooled it down for about 20 minutes. Let's enjoy. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. See ya. Bye.